I want to show you some checks that I got from last week. All these checks range anywhere from $125 to $250, and that's per closing. Everybody come up to me and like, hey, is it worth taking this course? Is it worth taking this course? Yes. If you're on the fence about taking this course, just take this course. Hey, Notary World. My name is Vontra Davidson, and I'm a top producing notary in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. 3 years ago, when I first discovered Mark, I was in college, 30K in debt. I was almost ready to graduate. 6 months before graduating, I kept seeing his marketing out there like, hey, become a mobile notary. You know, we got people out here making anywhere from 75 to 250 and sometimes even more per appointment on these. I got paid as much as 1,000 on one transaction. Took me about an hour or two to get done because it was multiple closings. 3 years ago, I graduated from college, 30K in debt, student loan debt, and car debt. My first year doing mobile notary, being a loan signing agent and taking Mark's course, I paid off all of that debt. I paid off all of that debt. It's all gone. If you are on the fence and you want to do something about your financial situation, just get out here and do it. One of these closings, you literally can make $75 to $250 within 30 minutes to an hour once you know what you're doing. So if you're on the fence about taking this course, just take it. It changed my life. Take the money and invest in yourself. You know, hustle to grab a few $100, invest in this course or whatever it is that you got to do and learn something new. And that's exactly what I did. And I did this without having a lot of money in my bank before graduating college. I was broke. And as soon as I moved from college down to Dallas, I don't regret it. I really don't regret it. Within 6 months of doing this, I made $10,000. My first month, 0. Second month, 15. Third month, 4 to 5,000. Fifth month, and it just kept going up. But you have to invest in yourself by taking this course. That's it. I tried to cheat it. You know, back then, like, dang, I shouldn't probably pay for his course. I should probably just wing it. Don't do that. Take his course and you'll see what happened. If you're an action taker, if you take action, it's gonna happen and it's gonna take grit. But you gotta get into his course and make it happen like I did 3 years ago and still going.